welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be shotgun trolling. Yeah, that's what shit. We're going to be doing like 10 minutes of it. So yeah, let me just... Time to troll.
Yo, Cat, I'm going to add you on a
Shut up!
friend.
I'm sorry guys, my voice. Atogatos from Mexico.
Wanna trade? Anybody?
Kill him! Yeah, watch! My boys, please. I was really beating up kids. So it's so fun.
Does anyone have
Stop killing my king! Give me a kill Red Watch! Shut up! Give me it, bro! Bro! You're stealing my ting! Bro, freak you! Freak you, 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 freak you.
Okay, boy, hey boy, oh boy, oh you like that job?
Oh, you like that, bro?
Oh yeah, what's that gonna do to me, boy? What's that gonna do to me? Yeah, go over there, go there, go there, go there.
Ha!
Oh yeah, you like that?
You can't get me! Ha! Talking! Ha! You suck! You suck! Bye!
This is so funny! Go! Freaking dogs! Hey! Freaking animals!
Yeah, I'm just sleepy, bro.
Yeah, oh.
This kid's treating like people like animals.
You realize? Oh boy! Oh boy!
Oh boy! LeBron James!
Hey boy! Hey boy! Oh, there's my broccoli! Hey boy! Oh yeah, he ran away. Oh boy! Oh, that's my boy! That's my boy!
Shut the hell up!
I didn't eat it!
Sniper boy!
I didn't get his face down! I didn't get it! Kill anyone!
Whoever shut the Big Machine! Yo!
Oh my god!
Stop! Collecting taxes! You
Who wants free suitcases? Put your hands in that one here. Who wants free suitcases?
Look at there! Bro, why are you using that? Why are you using that? Dynamites. Hey, yo!
There's free suitcases, my guy! Look up! Bro, come here! Come here! Look!
He came out with suitcases. He came out with
You're up there, my guy. You're up there. You're up there. Thank you so much, bro! Whoa!
What?
Leave me alone, guys.
The suitcases?
Thank you.
I got you, but they're lying, so I'm gonna have to kill them.
Luckily I'm big, so I won't die. Where are these?
Give me this.
Yo, there's two!
Yes, I got one!
Nice, little bro.
No, don't.
No! My friend! I got some loot friends. I got some loot friends. I'll revenge you, my friend! Why don't grab me?
Man, it feels like no one can grab that thing.
There's one suitcase, everyone's fighting for it.
Shut up, bro! You're just shooting people. Like.
I'm the one who told you guys about it. You don't hear me.
What's up?
Are you red?
Got it! I got it!
Good boy.
Shut up.
I'm the one who told you guys about it, bro.
Without me, you guys would not have noon.
Leave me alone, bro! You don't have the right to touch me.
Steal. Shut up. Don't have right to
No.
steal my items.
Shut the hell up.
Put your hands
Put your hands up. This is Top Police. Put your goddamn hands. You don't want to put your hands up?
is the police. Put your hands up. This
Shut-
is the police.
This is the police. Goddamn.
This is the police. Put your hands up. This is the police. Get you out, boy.
Hangua panda.
Hangua panda. Hangua panda.
Wait. Kid. This is all about here. Come here, little boy. John Cena.
He missed.
Hey, you. Oh. What the hell?
Oh, my
Big Bro's
fam.
gone.
My fam.
Well,
Can
fam.
somebody give me?
Yeah, I
somebody
hate
give
you
me-
so much. I hope you die in a car crash.
somebody
Hey, you green, you want some ammo? Here you go, boy. No. You need to back the fuck away from me. You know him. This kid is, though. No! That's my shotgun! Oh, no!
Too bad. Sucks to suck.
Sucks to
God,
sucks?
hands.
Nah, I got you, bro. I got you.
Anyone want to?
Nah, I got you, bro.
Anyone
Here to see.
want to dupe? I got a
Where's the little-
VPN.
Oh, here's the little.
Yes, me. Me.
Yo, come here, Green.
All right, come here.
Green, come
Can we
here.
join a private? Yeah.
I know you got shit
Don't
with your
you
map
want to start a
pop tonight.
Come here. Well, you can go. I don't care about you. You can go. Come here. Come on.
You got
You can
shit.
go. Come here.
You
Just type in random stuff.
You're stuck
right?
in
know
it
what
for
you
now.
gotta
I
do.
know.
Okay, fine. I'll go.
Hello.
Look at the dumb.
Hey, look at this tiny grappler.
Oh shit, my
Look
bad.
at this tiny grappler. Everyone, look at this tiny
How does he do
grappler.
that?
Tiny grappler.
You have to watch yourself to didn't do it.
Yo, look at this backpack.
Now we got it.
Like that?
He's fine.
Oh, that works. Kanafu panda. Oh my God, this kid is not playing around. Play, bitch. Damn, this kid is not playing around. Oh my God, he's gone.
Guys, this fan.
Give me that back, man. Oh.
Guys,
Yo!
we want science.
Watch out, bro. Said my name.
Right, you stay up.
Kanafu panda.
I'm your friend. I added you.
Inga.
I'm your friend.
Oh, you're my friend, bro?
Food panda.
That's my line.
Food
Friend, here's your shotgun.
Three,
Nope, we don't need to shoot it.
1. Kilo. Ishiga.
Shit, what am I done?
Yo! Oh my God.
Bye-bye.
Can someone get me shotgun ammo?
Later, 6.
Give me your hi-yo.
Hey friend, can you get me some shotgun ammo? I don't have
Hey
it.
guys, I'm a fly.
Oh, chill.
These nuts.
Can you get me some shotgun ammo? I don't have that in a lot.
I just put it
And like he's not me. Okay, why do you just...
Yo! I hate you! Come on, little baby! You scary cat!
What are you ugly hat?
Yes,
Enjoyed the video, man. I'll see you in the next one, alright? By the way, guys, my Discord isn't working, so so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to post, and it's gonna say right there, the Discord link. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Come.